Have you ever wondered why social media marketing is such a big deal in today's world? The answer lies in its tremendous power to influence. In this digital age, social media marketing is the magic wand that businesses use to reach a wider audience, enhancing their brand visibility like never before. It's a game changer, fostering connections between businesses and customers, facilitating dialogues, and creating an arena for engagement. Indeed, the power of social media marketing in shaping businesses cannot be overstated. Now imagine having your own social media marketing agency. Sounds exciting, right? Well, it's not just a dream. Let's walk through the initial steps you'll need to take to make this a reality. Firstly, decide on a niche. This is the specific market you'll cater to. It could be anything from fashion to tech startups or even nonprofit organizations. Your niche should be something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in, as this will help you create more impactful marketing campaigns. Next, identify your target clients within that niche. These are the companies or individuals who will benefit the most from your services. To do this, you'll need to conduct market research and understand their needs, goals, and challenges. This will also help you tailor your services to meet their specific requirements. Now, on to the business plan. This is your agency's roadmap. It outlines your business objectives, strategies, financial forecasts, and marketing plans. Having a solid business plan not only gives you a clear direction, but also makes your agency more appealing to potential investors and partners. Lastly, don't forget to register your agency. This legitimizes your business and protects you legally. Depending on your location, you may need to apply for certain licenses or permits. These initial steps lay the groundwork for a successful social media marketing agency. Remember, every great journey begins with the first step, and you've just taken yours. With the groundwork laid, it's time to assemble your team and define your services. Building an effective team is like solving a puzzle. Each person has a unique set of skills that, when combined, create a complete picture. You'll need creative minds to generate engaging content, analytical thinkers to measure success, and social butterflies to manage client relationships. Now, let's talk about defining your services. Consider the needs of your potential clients. Are they looking for content creation, social media management, or perhaps influencer marketing? Remember, it's about finding that sweet spot between what your team can deliver and what your clients need. The services you offer should not only cater to your clients' needs, but also showcase your team's strengths. If your team excels at creating visually stunning Instagram posts, make that a key service. Remember, a strong team and well-defined services are key to your agency's success. Now, your agency is set, but how do you get clients? This is where marketing comes into play. You need to make your agency visible to your target audience. One of the most effective ways to do this is by building a strong online presence. Utilize social media platforms, websites, and blogs to showcase your services, unique selling points, and success stories. Networking is another key strategy. Connect with potential clients, industry leaders, and influencers who can help you spread the word about your agency. Attend events, webinars, and conferences to make valuable connections. And don't underestimate the power of testimonials. A positive review from a satisfied client can persuade potential clients to choose your agency over others. Encourage your clients to share their experiences and success stories. Remember, marketing is not a one-time activity. It's a continuous process that involves constant tweaking and improvement based on feedback and results. Effective marketing strategies will help your agency attract its first clients and grow. So, you see, setting up a social media marketing agency is not as daunting as it might seem. We've walked through the journey together, beginning with understanding the vital role social media marketing plays in today's digital landscape. It's not just a trend, but a powerful tool that can elevate businesses to new heights. From there, we dove into the initial steps of setting up your own agency. We discussed the importance of identifying your niche, creating a business plan, and acquiring the necessary skills and knowledge. Then, we moved on to building your team and defining the services you'll offer. Remember, a well-rounded team and a diverse set of services can set you apart in this competitive market. Next, we navigated the world of marketing your agency. We highlighted the significance of a strong online presence, networking, and client relationships. With passion, planning, and persistence, you can establish a successful social media marketing agency. So why not start today?